Good day, everyone. Welcome back to Math with Trockers. So in this question, we are working on binomial expansion. So let's expand only as far as needed. All right, that is ZIMSEC November 2026, specimen 6042/1. Okay, the question is number 11, and it reads, Part A, find the first three terms in the expansion of 2 plus ax to the fifth power. Then B item 1, given also that b plus 2x multiplied by 2 plus ax to the fifth power equal to 96 minus 176x plus cx squared. Find the values of a, b, and c. Then item 2, state the validity of the expansion in B1 with the values obtained. Right. So I think A and B item 1, they are straightforward, but I'll just give an honest comment on item 2. Right. So frankly speaking, I think validity of the expansion for this question is not necessary. I don't intend to disrespect the examiner here, but according to the little information or knowledge that I have, validity is only necessary if the exponent is negative or fractional, since the expansion is approaches infinity. It keeps going, right? But for this one, the power is positive, hence the expansion will terminate, right? So, but because it has been asked, we'll just go ahead and solve it out. I just thought of saying it. Anyway, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so find the first three terms of this. All right, so this is number 11A. We are given 2 plus ax to the power of 5, right? Okay, here, since I just need the first three terms, let's just use a plus b to the n equal to a to the n plus na to the n minus 1b plus n minus 1 a to the n minus 2 b squared over 2 factorial. So now this implies that 2 plus ax to the fifth power equal to a to the fifth plus 5 times a, which is 2 to the fourth times ax plus 5, 4, 2 to the third, then ax squared over 2 times 1, right, which is 32. I think that's 80, right? 2 to the fourth power, 16 times 5, that's 80. So plus 80 ax, and here it's 8 times 20, right, divided by 2. I'm getting 80 a squared x squared. So that's the first three terms for that expansion. Now let's go ahead and solve the next question, which is B item 1. So on B item 1, we are told that b plus 2x times 2 plus ax to the fifth power is equal to 96 minus 176 x plus cx squared. So we need to find the values for a, b, and c, right? So finding the values of a, b, and c it's really easy, because we just go ahead and expand the left-hand side, then we equate with the right-hand side, or we compare with the right-hand side. So here, left-hand side simply means b plus 2x multiplied by, remember, we got 32 plus 80 ax plus 80 a squared x squared. So if I multiply here, I'm getting 32b plus 80 abx plus 80 a squared bx squared, then this times that, plus 64x, then plus 160 ax squared. Then remember, we're supposed to end up to x squared. So now it's 32b plus, if I take this and that, it's 80 ab plus 64 x plus 80 a squared b plus 160 a is the coefficient of x squared. So now I'll compare. Okay, comparing, right? So we're going to compare. So let's start with comparing constant terms. Right. So when comparing constants, here I have 32b equal to 96 divided by 32 divided by 32. So b should be 3. 96 divided by 32. So we get our b as 3. So now we are comparing coefficients of then x. So I have 80 ab plus 64 equal to, right, here it's equal to negative 176. Negative 176. So 80, remember b is 3 equal to negative 176, negative 64. So 240a equal to 176 plus 64. 176 plus 64, negative 240. So a equal to negative 1. Then now we compare coefficients of x squared. So in comparing coefficients of x squared, I have that 80 a squared b plus 160 a should equal to c. All right, should equal to c. So it's now 80 times a is negative 1 squared times 3 plus 160 times negative 1 is c. So positive 240 minus 160 equal to c. So 240 minus 160, we have 80 equal to c. Right. So guys, we have managed to find the values of a, b, and c. So now let's go ahead and do b item 2. All right. So b item 2, remember we have this for validity. Remember we have 2 plus ax to the 5th power, right? 2 plus ax to the 5th power, which is equal to 2 minus x to the 5th power. So we can take out 2 and we have 1 minus x over 2 to the 5th. So for validity, this modulus of x over 2 should be less than 1. So modulus of x is less than 2. Right. So guys, that's it for this question. Always expand carefully and compare coefficients systematically. Keep practicing. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.